Your bedroom isn't messy, it's just under siege by silent clutter. If you agree, today you'll move beyond the basics to explore 10 high-impact DIY projects, from high-speed scavenger hunts to precision maple built-ins that will transform your space and your curation skills. You're building the warmth you want to wake up to. Buckle up and subscribe if you haven't already to start the fit-out. 10. The packing party for one room. Your bedroom isn't messy, it's just full of silent clutter. We're gonna fix that with a packing party. Imagine you're moving tomorrow. Grab some cardboard boxes and pack everything. The books, the decor, even the clothes you haven't touched in months. Now, live out of the boxes for exactly 1 week. Need a sweater? Unpack it. Looking for your favorite journal? Dig it out. After 7 days, look at what's still taped shut. Those items aren't essentials. They're just taking up your space and peace of mind. If you didn't miss it in a week, you don't need it in your life. Unpack your freedom. Number 9. Maple closet built-in idea. Your closet shouldn't just hold your clothes. It should ground your space. Forget the cold industrial wire racks. We're building a maple sanctuary. Start with raw maple plywood for that warm, cohesive glow. Skip the metal hardware, craft simple wooden drawer boxes, and sand the runners until they glide with a silent, organic soul. Match the silhouette of your nightstand, but lean into a lighter maple tone to invite the light in. If hand-shaping brackets feels risky, pivot to 3D printing custom supports. It's about precision, not perfection. Whether you choose centered shelving or a double rod layout, build for the life you actually lead. In the cold of the shop, skip the glue and focus on the fit. Build the warmth you want to wake up to. 8. The reverse hanger 30-day audit. Your closet is a graveyard of maybe one day. Let's expose the ghosts with the reverse hanger audit. Start by turning every single hanger in your wardrobe the wrong way, facing the wall. It'll feel awkward, backward, and intentional. Every time you wear an item, return it to the rod facing the right way. After 30 days, the truth reveals itself. Those hangers still facing the wall aren't clothes. They're stagnant energy taking up your space. You don't need more storage, you need more honesty. If you didn't reach for it in a month of living, it's time to let it go. Turn the tide on your clutter. Little tips: use slim, space-saving hangers to maximize your newfound breathing room. 7. Maple built-in closet with LED lighting idea. With the ghosts gone, build a maple sanctuary. This isn't storage, it's a soul-deep upgrade. Frame your vision in 1/2-inch maple plywood, anchored to a 2x4 base that becomes part of the home. Precision is your language. Use SketchUp for the plan, but hand-cut for the soul. Install soft close slides for a silent glide, and mitered half-lap joints for a mirror that lasts. Then, let there be light. Recess LEDs at a 30-degree angle to wash your curated wardrobe in a warm, intentional glow. While the maple setup costs about $3,800, you can slash that budget with maple print edge-banded MDF and still get the designer look for a fraction of the raw material cost. 6. Preserve the negative. With your sanctuary framed, resist the urge to fill every inch. Embrace negative space zoning. Intentionally leave one shelf or a single corner completely vacant, a quiet void amidst the utility. This isn't wasted room, it's visual breathing room for your mind. A single empty shelf acts as a psychological reset, breaking the heavy weight of a cluttered life and giving your eyes a place to rest. When you curate the emptiness, you honor the items you chose to keep. By protecting this blank slate, you'll find it's naturally easier to keep the surrounding areas tidy. Sometimes the most powerful part of a build is what you leave out. Number 5. Platform bed with storage and reading light idea. To anchor your sanctuary, craft a platform of purpose. This isn't just a bed, it's a command center for calm. Build from a white oak plywood, edged in walnut for a sharp, contrasting flare. Harness the power of push-to-open drawers and a pneumatic gas spring lift to reveal a hidden vault for your seasonal gear. Position this centerpiece where the window light dances across the natural grain, highlighting texture over clutter. Keep the bedding minimal, a simple white duvet accented by a vibrant hand-crocheted throw. By tucking your snowboard and cables into dedicated raceways, you protect that hard-won negative space. Every inch is engineered for peace, from the compact work nook to the silent, heavy-duty storage. Number 4. Layered lighting as a clutter mask. With your platform set, master the art of the luminous mask. Ditch the harsh, clinical glare of a single overhead fixture and embrace layered warm zones. This isn't just illumination, it's a strategic veil. Install sleek wall sconces or delicate fairy lights to guide the eye toward your finest textures: the walnut grain, the crocheted throw, the clean oak. By bathing your curated spaces in a golden glow, you cast the lingering, untamed corners into soft, forgiving shadows. Proper lighting creates a hierarchy of focus, allowing your mind to rest on the beauty you've built while hiding the clutter you've yet to conquer. Control the light, and you control the peace. 3. Rolling platform drawer. Within those forgiving shadows, maximize every inch with underbed ghost storage. This isn't a mere bin. It's a stealthy 24 by 48-inch mobile vault. Craft the core from pre-finished plywood and inexpensive pine, then skin the exterior in sanded ply for a seamless finish. If hardware runs thin, pivot to frame and panel construction. Let the joinery do the heavy lifting. Use sliding dovetails for dividers that refuse to budge, ensuring your seasonal gear stays disciplined. Seal the wood in de-waxed shellac, preserving the option for a future coat of paint. Number 2. The 12-12-12 Scavenger Hunt. Within your sanctuary, the final purge isn't a chore, it's the 12-12-12 Scavenger Hunt. This is a high-speed ritual to reclaim your borders. Charge into the corners and identify 12 items to discard, 12 to donate, and 12 to exile back to their rightful homes outside the bedroom. It's a race against the stagnant energy of the maybe one day mindset. By gamifying the exit of 36 objects, you transform a heavy burden into a sharp, decisive victory. Clear the path for your walnut edges and soft glow lighting to truly shine. Speed is your ally, and clarity is your prize. Hunt down the clutter and let the room breathe. Lastly, number 1, Baltic Birch Bedroom Fit-Out. Now that you've reclaimed your borders, it's time to fortify them. This isn't just storage, it's a structural ritual designed for your sanctuary. Charge into the build with your track saw, carving out 15 drawers, 9 cupboards, and 2 nooks from the premium grain of Baltic birch. Align your plan with purpose: long cupboards for the sweep of dresses, shallow banks for delicates, and modules sized to 1200 millimeters to eliminate waste. This isn't about rigid symmetry, it's about intentional function that flows around your space. Use precise joinery and water-based poly to lock in that sharp, decisive finish. With 36 custom zones, your order is no longer a hunt, it's a victory.
Oh, and by the way, at the SimFoam channel, you'll discover a range of lists that you won't find anywhere else. For example, we offer insights like 10 small bedroom ideas with beak beds, 10 interior design tips to improve your sleep quality, and 10 creative DIY projects to revamp your shoe storage, among many others. Each list is compiled through extensive research and careful writing, with relevant sources included to enhance your learning experience. So, what are you waiting for? If you have some free time and internet access, follow the link in the description to fully explore what SimFoam has to offer. That's it for now. Before you go, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or share it with your friends on social media or via email. Lastly, we look forward to seeing you again soon with more videos like this. Until then, thanks for watching.